I think it's better. Hi! In today's video you're gonna see my face just in the introduction. By the way, I'm not gonna show you my face entire video because I'm not looking pretty today. I did my best, but I'm not looking pretty today. You know, there are days where you woke up and you suddenly feel like you're pretty. Yeah, today is not one of those days. And yes, I've just bought sugar because I needed sugar, and I saw a lot of people. I saw one guy drunk in the street, and it's 4 p.m. But you know, people decide how they want to celebrate Valentine's Day. He decided to be drunk, and he was saying that he was over his girlfriend. He was not over her. But yeah, anyways. I had to mute me because I was just complaining about life, and you don't have to listen to just baking a red velvet cupcakes, and you're gonna see the process. Hopefully this ends up well. Otherwise, if I mess this up, I will be crying at the end of the video because I spent too much money. Like, let me think, like 40 soles, yeah, or 30 or 40 soles, which is approximately 50 reals. I don't know the name of your money in English, but in Spanish they are reales. Reales brasileños. Yeah, it's approximately 50 reales brasileiros, and I don't know if it's expensive for you, but it's quite expensive for me. But I also bought these things. Wait, bear with me a minute. I bought this. I bought two of those things. It cost me 2 soles, which is 5 reals, I think. And I don't thinking. At the end of the video, you will see this. I have to, I don't know the name of that. I have to armarlo. My sister has just knocked the door, so yes, it's time to cook. She's gonna be with me. She'll probably talk in English or in Spanish if she wants. But yeah, I'm gonna be ashamed, probably. So yes, keep watching. First of all, I needed to mix the milk with a teaspoon of lemon juice, which is half lemon. And that's what I'm doing in this clip. By the way, my hand is not dirty. It says LMDiso. And I did wash my hands, but I couldn't remove it. Sad emoji. Then I had to watch the video because I have such a terrible memory and I forgot everything I knew. Plus I was extra nervous since everybody was gonna eat my cupcakes, so it had to taste good. In this clip I'm weighing the flour, I think that's the word. Then I added the tablespoons of cocoa, the teaspoon of salt, and I started mixing everything. After that, I took another bowl to mix the white sugar with the butter. I always cut the butter in squares so it's easier to mix everything and get the consistency I want. Oh, for this recipe you need a blender, otherwise you will get exhausted as hell. Yeah, whip it, 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 whip it. Keep watching me shut it down. Nah, you don't wanna be on my best side. That's right, I'm styling through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me 3 if I was you. Better run the world towards on your guard, baby. It's a sweet and bust it all. Me don't let see the neck, I see the stress. We don't bother, we request it all. A rock star, a pop star, but rowdy. I say back to the paparazzi. Get on the side, I smile, yeah. No, we're infinite, that's stereo. Like what now, Blackpink in your area. That area been shut down, it's a shutdown. After listening to me rapping to shut down by Blackpink, I continued mixing the ingredients I already told. Then I added the first egg and the mass totally changed, fortunately. Then I added the second egg and it was ready. just a few of the red colorant, but at the end I ended up adding half of the bottle. I'm guilty. Here I had the mass ready in red, so I needed to put it in the white thing for cupcakes and send it to bake. In the last clip, you were supposed to watch me making the frosting and decorating the cupcakes, but the camera wasn't well placed. My bad, so you had only this. Exactly the same, but I didn't change my clothes, and I made those boxes. I have two boxes. One is for my dad and the other for my boyfriend, because I'm seeing him today in a couple of hours. And yes, I forgot to show you the final result, so you're gonna be with me while I'm packing those boxes. So yes, keep watching. And that's it, I finally made it. They look pretty, isn't it? I think they look pretty. I made two different types of cupcakes, red velvet cupcakes, and also I made orange cupcakes. I didn't record that. Yes, I made two different types. It's not dirty, it's not fungi. They were in the fridge. That's why it looks like that. I swear to God, you see? It's not dirty, it's just water. But yeah, I finally made it. I'm not sure if it's going to be entertaining to watch, but yes, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I love you. Bye bye.